What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the last of my catch-up IPSY videos, and we have the April 2025 Glam Bag, Spring into Self-Care. Nourish your skin, savor a sweet treat, soak in the beauty of nature. This month, indulge in life's simple pleasures and let your glow run wild. Although we are in the fall season, we are still glowing and still self-caring. So let's see what's inside. First, it's this little puffer bag with little flowers on it and this super cute flower charm. And it has this gorgeous purple inside. First thing up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner. I've tried this product. I absolutely love Glow Recipe, so this is definitely a win. Next is the K-Boss Lip Trip, and it is in this dusty rose mauve color. So next is the Dew of the Gods Matcha My Energy Coconut Cream Facial Cleanser. Ooh, I love Dew of the Gods, so I'm very excited to try this little product. Next, we have the MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. Okay. Then, lastly, is the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. Very thick. We'll give it a try. And that is what was in my May 2025 IPSY Glam Bag. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And thank you for watching.